Hey there, I'm Kit and welcome to Breakneck Games powered by Comex Scona, where we show you the best parts of a board game in a minute. Today we'll be showcasing IDW's classic, Machi Koro. This one's for 2 to 4 players, ages 10 and up, and usually runs half an hour a game. Let's dig in. Here's the game. Players, who have each been recently elected mayor, are expected to build up their towns to meet the citizens' expectations. The catch? The city starts with nothing but a wheat field, a bakery, and 1 die. Players must start by collecting the 4 primary landmarks, a train station, a shopping mall, an amusement park, and a radio tower, and placing them face down. When unbuilt, the card shows a gray side, but when built, flip it over to expose your new glorious development. The rest of the cards are 15 different kinds of establishments, displayed in numerical order, which you can buy and build as you play. Building these establishments gets you more income on different dice rolls, so players are encouraged to either gain a variety of establishments to get more consistent money, or to bundle them in groups for a large payout. Each player starts with 3 coins, and as they gain more, they will use these coins to build establishments. The buildings will earn players more income, either through the bank, blue and green cards, or by stealing from your opponents, red and purple cards. They can also have extra effects, like landmarks, these guys, which can allow you to roll more die, re-roll dice, or take extra turns. The game is decided in a very simple way. Whoever builds all 4 of their landmarks first in any order is the winner. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more Breakneck Games powered by Comex Scona. Stay cool, mayors!